News now coming in from Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh, where there has been unrest and there was a protest linked to the I Love Muhammad campaign. Cops have lathi charged these protesters. So that is the breaking news. In fact, this protest was taking place outside a mosque in Bareilly when, as you can see, this action taking place. It is a group that was holding up those posters. There's recently been a huge controversy over this campaign and posters of I Love Muhammad being carried, and that is leading to all kinds of in fact action by the authorities. And as you can see there, the police action there against those protesters. Well, let's go across to Ranveer now for more. Give us all the details of what exactly happened here in Bareilly.
Bareilly police used baton on protesters who have gathered near Islamia ground on appeal of Taqir Raza, a Muslim cleric. He appealed that the Muslims should come together. They should show their strength over the I Love Muhammad versus I Love Mahadev issue. And today, Maulana Taqir Raza requested everyone that after the namaz, they should gather near the Islamia ground. And today, Taqir Raza was not present there, but the mob, the crowd after the namaz, they gathered together, they raised slogans, and during the slogans, police requested that the people should go back to their respective homes, to their respective areas. But the mob was continuously increasing. The number of protesters were increasing, and that's why police used baton to disperse the mob. Today, the situation is not normal because due to this I Love Mahadev and I Love Muhammad issue, police issued alert to all sensitive areas in Uttar Pradesh, and that's why the security arrangements were beefed up. The security was done by drones, was done by intelligence, was police and paramilitary forces were deployed, and that's why a major incident averted. So today at Bareilly, a huge number of protesters gathered outside a mosque near Islamia ground on the appeal of Maulana Taqir Raza, and police, when requested the mob to go back to their home, and they denied so. They raised slogans, objectionable slogans were raised by the protesters, and that's why Bareilly police used baton on these protesters. So just due to an appeal of Maulana Taqir Raza, the situation became worse, and that's why police used force to disperse the mob. So now the security arrangements have been beefed up, and police is trying to control the situation, but we can say that the situation is, as of now, not under control, and the tension prevails in Bareilly.
That's right, Ravish. Also, if we talk about the genesis of this entire controversy, it started with action in Kanpur, isn't it? After some posters saying I Love Muhammad was taken out, and then after that, complaints were filed, and there was action. It's become, sort of a fight over, the people being allowed to carry these posters. And now we're seeing, after Friday prayers in Bareilly, this action taking place, and the police cracking down on those holding up these posters saying I Love Muhammad.